don't think just not doing very well one subject will make a difference.
It's very school specific. So, for example, if you think you're doing high level maths, for example, and you don't get an A star, then you're going to struggle to get onto that course. So, year 11 at the moment, you've taken your options and you've been approved for certain courses, and those approvals are based on your current scores that you've got throughout your tests. So, if you wanted to do a science at high level, we'd expect to at least a C in double award science. And if you're doing triple award science, then we'd be expecting a C in biology at least if you're doing high level biology. So different subjects, so like maths for example, high level maths and A star, so there's not much room for error. Different courses, say C, so it varies from school to school. It's not coming from the IB, it's coming from the departments in the school. In school, there's not much another option, to be honest. We've got two pathways, and that is an issue. That is a problem for certain students. If BTEC is not appropriate and IB is not appropriate, then
Okay, question is, what if, if you don't want to do IB and you don't want to do the BTEC, then is IB not only for the smart students? It's got that reputation, and it's very unfortunate. Because actually it's designed that 24 points is the pass mark. And actually there are exceptions to that. The IB is designed and it's marked, and the criteria referencing is designed that it should be a weak average student should be able to get a diploma. That's the level that it's being pitched at. So typically a weak average student should get the full diploma, which admits you to a university, a college, an institute of further education, all over Europe, and certainly in America it's more than enough for 80% of the colleges, depends on the college in America. But the intention is that almost any student, and I just say almost any student in a school like that, sure, any student in a school like that will certainly get the diploma. And within the diploma there's a lot of choice about what you do. There's going to be a lot of active subjects, full subjects, applied subjects. A school like this has a wide range of subjects. It's very different if you're in, I just come from some schools in a very small country with very small code of 10 students in their IB class. You do the IB or not. But even there, every student passes. Because the average student, or not even up to average, the average student should pass the IB. So I think it's got this reputation being for the brightest and the best is very, very difficult. It is a bit difficult, but the average student should get a diploma which admits you to most universities.
I suppose the other thing to mention is with the IB diploma as one complete package, so failing one aspect of it doesn't mean you fail absolutely everything. It means you don't meet the requirements of the diploma part. If you pass your individual subject, you still get qualifications from it. You still get a diploma.
And share the film. I'm going to put on my first hat, yes. I work for a charity, a social enterprise, which actually makes money. It makes money in order to support schools in Africa. We support a lot of schools in Ghana, and we support midwives in Liberia, and we raise about £1 million a year. And we raise that money from your parents. We take their money. But what we do is we work with IB students, we run courses for IB students, and we produce guides and revision materials for IB students, and we train IB teachers, and in doing all those things we generate an income which we can then send to Africa. This is a 3-minute film about how the organisation works. It's the kind of price you pay for listening to me. So try to close your eyes whilst I fill it with the computer.
So we put on revision courses for students who are doing the IB diploma at 3 stages: pre-IB, mid-IB, and the spring revision courses just before they're about to take their final exam. We put these courses on in fantastic university locations in Oxford and Cambridge in the UK, in Boston, based at Harvard and at MIT, and in Australia, in Sydney and in Melbourne. And we have students coming from all over the world. The pre-IB is a 3-week sector module. It's been designed to give the students what they need before they go into an IB diploma course.
First one, consider how precise your readings will need to be.
Teachers are experts at distilling the essence of a course and of the key parts of the course into a very short amount of time.
So the first person we'll think about is we try to remember that the students are on holiday, that they need to have some fun and be engaged in an active way in the lessons.
I came here thinking that it was going to be boring and just school, but 4 hours of school a day is pretty good for me, so it's fun.
The Study Skills course enables students to practice the extended essay process, starting with research, taking notes, putting it all together. They have an oral presentation to do, improving their confidence.
He had all the facts in his presentation.
Do we have consensus? It's good. This enables them to think a little bit more carefully about what works, what doesn't work.
The mid-IB course, students can choose the subjects they want to study, and they can choose their start and end dates, mornings only, and then there are afternoon options.
This is a very concentrated period of time, these 20 hours, so you can build skills much more rapidly.
Ditch a life and nanny, just a bit what you said.
And also working at finding all kinds of different ways to bring them on board. If you don't enjoy it, if you don't engage with it, you're not going to make progress.
Everything you need is handed to you. Any stupid question you ask is there.
They can review the first chapter, get it in context, find out what kind of questions the IB board is actually asking their exam papers, and also a bit of insight into what's going to come in the future.
They'll help me understand a lot more of the subjects that I haven't registered.
They're swimming, they're being fit. And many of the teachers who come on these courses are examiners. The knowledge will only get them a basic grade. If they want to get a higher grade, they have to have the understanding. And I can give them a better idea of how an examiner would view their work and give them better advice.
The spring revision course is different. It's a much more intense course. The students choose which subjects they want to take, and that subject will be studied over 2.5 days. So they do 7 hours in class each day, plus they have 2 hours homework. It's a very sort of intense, fun atmosphere. Students go away from that course really feeling they've pushed themselves on beyond what they might have expected to do. The students that come to us are 16, 17, 18, and we're very well aware that it's so important for them and their parents to be confident that they're coming to somewhere where they're going to be safe and well looked after. We have teams of very experienced teams.
We monitor what's going on together with the social activity organisers who spend much of the afternoon and early evening with the students. In the beginning part of the course, spend most of our time just helping people settle in. It's remarkable how quickly very good friendships are formed.
They like any sporting activity that they're interested in. If they're looking for something more cultural, obviously we can take them to one of the old colleges, take them to the chapel, take them for a Shakespeare play. Hunting is something obviously that can only be done at Oxbridge. They love it.
What OSC offers IB students is the chance to spend some of their holidays at a fantastic location, meeting IB students from other schools all around the world, spending time with teachers who are so enthusiastic about their subject, and just add a little bit more to what they do in school, which will help them in their final diploma exams.
It's really worth it. I really enjoy myself. I have loads of friends here, and I learned so much.
It's a place that I believe because Cambridge is my home for 2 weeks, and I've met heaps of great people from all around the world, and I learned so much, and I'm ready for the exams. It was one of the best courses I've been through. The friends, the activities, the staff, everyone. Amazing.
Right, it's all true. Charity likes to show the film. Just basically its virtue for students is that it's mostly taught by people who, like me, have been examiners in lots of different subjects or have a lot of experience. You are very fortunate in this school. It's a famously good school. I mean, the school, I guess, provides all that you really need in an education. So these courses, take them or leave them. If you haven't been Oxford, that might be of interest. They are expensive, but the money goes to something worthwhile. So, one thing you get from a school like this is a chance to come in on a Friday afternoon and listen to somebody else talking about the IB. I'm not sure how much of an advantage that there's anything I can do by way of answering questions or whatever. I can't seem to be able to flash up on the website, but I'm going to leave my email address here in case anyone wants to contact me. It's the website is called osc-ib.com. You can contact me there. But it'd be much easier and quicker to talk to me now than to write to me an email. So if you have any questions, in that case, assuming I know everything. Yes.
Who are the teachers in this
On these courses, there are teachers from schools all around the world. So we choose teachers who are mostly either a lot of experience, or they are examiners, or they are workshop leaders, or they are IB teacher trainers. So they come from schools all around Europe, North America, all over the place.
I also want to know who are the IBs and what is the qualifications.
Question is, who are the IB examiners? I am the IB examiner. IB examiners are mostly IB teachers. I think we've probably got quite a lot here. Yeah. Most schools will have half a dozen teachers who, in addition to teaching, do examining. They do the examining, and I was telling this to the grade 13s, they do it for the money. There's no fun, there's no pleasure, the world isn't a better place. They do it for the money. It's just a lot of work. You learn a lot as an examiner about how the exams work. So the schools like this will have several exams or quite a lot of exams.
I don't know how many we do have. Some of our teachers are, they've put themselves forward, they've had training, they mark IB test papers.
So it's mostly teachers from IB schools around the world, freelancers like me, people who have just decided to volunteer to do examining for the money. That's an exam. It's a summer course. What's it called? The pre-IB course is in the summer before you start an IB. You can come to Oxford for 3 weeks, and you just get a little more preparation for the IB. You were 13 years from that would be the end. There's a course in the summer at the end of year 11. There are courses at the end of year 12, and then there's a course just before the exams in year 13. Yes, and there are courses in Hong Kong, often types of provision courses. But or else you can come from England and do No, can I just say again how amazing it is to have a set of parents and students who are dedicated enough to education to turn up on a Friday afternoon. Speaking as a man who dropped out of school twice, I find it all the more incredible. Very nice to meet you.